In this video, I will show you how to create a broadcast channel on Instagram. Open Instagram. Now, to create a broadcast channel, there are two criteria. One, that your account must be a business or a creator's account. Two, you must have over 1000 followers. Once you have it, you can go to the DM section. In the top right corner, you will see this pencil icon. Click on it. And once you have a creator or business account and followers more than 1000, then right below group chat you will find this create a channel button. Click on it, then click on get started, then name your broadcast channel, set your audience, and there are other options like pinning the channel to inbox, showing channel on profile, and allowing members to reply or not. If you want it, turn the toggles on or turn it off. Then simply click on create in the top right corner and you will be able to create a broadcast channel on Instagram. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.